Guys, welcome to Selvin Family and Kitchen. Today we're gonna do rice and peas. We have some red peas here where we have soaking, and over here we have beef. So we're gonna do curry beef with rice and peas today. That's on the menu. So right about now we're gonna put in the peas in the pot to boil. Drop it in there. Put a little bit of salt around. Tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon. We have some pimento. So the grind of pimento, I grind it up already, so just throw it in. Some chopped onion, half a chopped onion, so I'm gonna put that in later. We have 3 cloves of garlic, I'm gonna put that in later as well. We're gonna do now, guys, is grate 3 cloves of garlic in the peas to make everything just cook down. That Maris over there. So I've got 3 cloves of garlic in it. Then I'm gonna put in the red onion. So half of red onion. Let that boil for around 40 minutes. So Marissa now just crushing the pimento. Come like pimento, we're gonna put the pimento in the peas to cook now as well. So Marissa just crushing them.
Like a bottle, if you crush in there, you put it in a bottle and drink it. It's on the yucky.
Doing a good job, Marissa.
You can't put it in your bottle, you know, Daddy. If you push it up, it will pop up. Like popcorn pop up when you put it in the stove.
Push up like popcorn.
Yeah.
Doing a good job.
Popcorn can crush from. Popcorn can crush like this, can crush when you do it like this.
So guys, this is for the curry beef. We have half of white onion, 1 stick of spring onion, and chili pepper, half of red pepper, half of orange pepper, half of yellow pepper, and we have some ginger we're going to go up grater, and 4 pegs of garlic. All-purpose season, we're going to use a tablespoon of all-purpose season. We have 3 chopped carrot, 2 chopped potato, some grated pimento, some of the top of it. So this is the grated pimento. Give it a start. So leave that to marinate for around half an hour. So guys, what we're going to do now is put in all of the white onion, orange pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, and spring onion. So I'm going to grate a piece of ginger. Drop all out. You gotta grate some garlic now. For your bit. This guys already will give it a little stir. Then I'm gonna put in the curry now, curry powder. So I keep my curry in my fridge. 1 spoon. 2 spoons of curry powder, that's enough. So what you want to do is make the curry burn off a bit before you put in your meat. Oh, you can smell the curry powder coming up. So my curry burn off now, so I'm gonna put in the beef. With a nice mix. You wanna get all of that curry in, all of that seasoning, everything in, mixed up. Put on the lid on that. I'm checking that peas now, so that peas coming along nicely. So you want to know if the peas cook. Two things, you can hold them and squeeze them, or you can look on them turning up in like that. See them? In the middle of them. So now, just gonna put in this chili pepper. Don't want it to burst. Coconut milk. Just gonna put it in all of it. With a mix. So we're just gonna let this coconut milk boil with the peas and the chili pepper. So by the time the peas cook, coconut milk already cooked already as well. Let's check that beef. Wow, look at that curved beef. Guys, look at that. Look at that curry beef. Wow, that's coming along nice. I know I'm just gonna put in the carrots and the potato. With a nice mix. for another 10-15 minutes. Guys, I just washed some rice a while ago to put in the rice and peas. I put in 3 cups of rice, so I'm just gonna put that in now. So 3 cups of small juice cups of rice. So I'm just gonna chuck it in the pot right here. Just remember when you put in your rice, just give the pot a stir. You want all of that peas and everything, but watch that chili pepper. Don't want to burst it. Just give it a stir. Put on the lid on that. Let's check this curry beef. What's coming down? Oh, lovely, lovely. Guys, let's check out the rice and peas. It's coming down nicely. Whenever you're boiling rice and the water come down low like that in the pot, you just turn on your stove very low. You don't want to keep the ice on a high heat and then the rice will burn. So turn it on very low. Then I'm going to put the file paper. Then I'm going to seal it with the file paper. Then I put back the lid over it. So let that file paper and that low heat steam. Guys, this is the rice and peas. Look at it. Look how shelly it is. So this is the rice and peas, guys. Jamaican style rice and peas. With red kidney bean. So we call it red peas. Rice and peas, guys. This is beautiful, beautiful. So if you guys don't subscribe to my channel as yet, please do. I know it's just you guys watching it, so please subscribe to my YouTube video and please subscribe and share the video around and make a comment. And remember, hit the notifications when I post a video, you guys will get it. Guys, this is it. This is the rice and peas with curry beef. Rice.